Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you about how to create birthday party invites using Microsoft Copilot. Step 1, sign into your Microsoft account or create a new one on the Copilot page. While you don't need to sign up to just have a quick chat with Copilot, the chatbot only generates images for users signed in with the personal Microsoft account. You can select Copilot or Designer, both will work. Step 2, as soon as you have successfully signed in, you'll be able to provide Copilot with a text or voice prompt asking it to generate your birthday party invite. For this example, we ask Copilot to generate an invite for Max's pirate themed birthday party. Just type the prompt into the main box. Step 3, not completely happy with the results you obtained? Let Copilot know what changes you want to see. You can do this by typing your own prompt again or clicking on one of the auto suggestions provided. Step 4, now that you have an image you like to proceed further with, select it by simply clicking on it. This will bring up a larger version of the image with more options on how to proceed. Here you can also click download to save a full resolution version. Step 5, if you require more robust edits, click on customize. This opens up the designer tool that allows you to add your own text elements, filters and make other edits. Step 6, just found out that Max is now a dinosaur fan and has excited his pirate face. This hand has exited his pirate face. This calls for a redo. You can simply ask what general change needs to be done. Microsoft Copilot will remember that we are designing a birthday party invite. Step 7, if you simply want to go ahead and save the image in Microsoft.